In the name of Allah, who is the gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Forex Invest. Today we are going to talk about the outlines of basic course at Forex Invest. First of all, our topic is what is Forex Trading and how to earn money from this. Then we are going to discuss about rules of Forex Trading. Then what is the difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? These two apps or softwares are for Forex Trading. What is broker and best broker for us? Then we are going to discuss about the basic candlesticks. Don't forget, it's not the whole complete code for the candlesticks, but it's just a basic concept of candlesticks. After the selection between MT4 and MT5, we will discuss about the functions of MetaTrader app. Next topic will be lot size. Then how to put entry. How to put entry means we will discuss about the trade. Like we are going to discuss about how we start or how we initiate a trade, whether it is sell or it is for the buy. What is spread? And the next topic will be what is time frame in Forex trading. It's a very important topic for you. Next topics regarding the Forex trading will be what is indicators and usage of indicators. Then what is PIP, what is SL and TP and how these are used in Forex trading. What is sell limit and buy limit, how to use it. We will discuss each and everything related to that trading. After learning about Forex trading, we will teach you about how to open an account on a broker. There will be a link in the description. You can go to that link and create a simple account with the broker. Then we will discuss about how to deposit and how to withdraw. Then after learning this basic course, the final topic is best time for Forex trading. It is the most important topic because most of the people don't know how to choose the time for Forex trading. So this is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching Forex Invest. Hope you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe this video and share our channel with your friends or Forex traders. Stay safe, stay healthy.